Hey guys, today we're painting this door.
To go from this to this. I did a little bit of research on door feng shui, and since ours is north facing, we're going with black. It took a while, but I finally got the samples narrowed down to just 3 options. Next, it was time for prep work, which if you've been here long enough, you know is my least favorite. After sanding down the paint samples, removing the old hardware, and cleaning the door to remove all of the grimy gunk that was on there, I dried it off and taped off the areas where I didn't want to get paint on it. What can I say? My lack of patience is legendary. I went with a paint slash primer from Behr. I decided to use the Broadway color. Hopefully it turns out great. All right, let's do this thing. Whenever you're painting anything with detail, you want to start by cutting in. That's basically a fancy way of saying that you paint those parts first.
Now that we're done with the cutting in, I'm gonna save my paintbrush for the second coat. If you don't know this trick, you just put your paintbrush in the fridge and that'll keep it from drying out.
Next, get out your roller and get to work painting all those flat surfaces. Keep the first coat light. You don't want it to look all gloopy and drippy. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh, enough. I know, but seriously, my ears are burning. I'm being really extra right now.
Give the first coat a few hours to dry and then go in for the second coat, maybe even a third coat. Just keep going until it looks good. Peel off that tape and voila, you got yourself a beautiful door. My favorite detail is this amazing brass hardware. Mwah! Chef's kiss. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more home DIY.